Welcome to my podcast. My name is Anna, and today we will talk about a very interesting place, the market. A market is a place where people buy and sell things. It is usually open in the street or in a big building. You can find many different things there. For example, fruits red apple, vegetables carrot, bread, clothes t-shirt, flowers cherry blossom. The market is often busy and noisy. Many people come there to shop, talk, and walk around. Shopping cart. What do people do at the market? At the market, people can buy fresh food, sell their products, talk to sellers, compare prices. Everything is often fresh and local. That means it comes from nearby farms or places. A farmer who works at the market? People who sell things at the market are called sellers or vendors. For example, a fruit seller, a vegetable seller, a baker, a flower seller. They stand at their stands and help customers. The market has many fresh and colorful products. People like it because the food is often fresh, tasty, and not expensive. Red apple fruits at the market. At the fruit stalls, we can find apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, grapes. Fruits are sweet and healthy. Many people buy fruit every week. Example: I want 1 kilo of apples, please. These bananas look fresh. Carrot vegetables at the market. Vegetables are also very important. We can find carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions. People use vegetables to cook soup, salad, and many dishes. Example: how much are the tomatoes? They are very fresh today. Bread and bakery products. Some markets have bread stalls. You can buy bread, croissants, cakes, buns. The smell of fresh bread is very nice and makes people hungry. Cheese wedge. Other food products. In some markets, you can also find cheese, eggs, meat, fish. These products are important for daily meals. Shopping bags. Why people like market food? People like market food because it is fresh, it is local, it is often cheaper than supermarkets. It tastes good. The market is a very good place for healthy shopping. Now we will learn how to talk at the market. This is very useful English for real life. Speaking had simple questions at the market. When you go to the market, you can ask, how much is this? How much are these apples? Is it fresh? Can I try one? These are very easy and useful questions. Money bag. Talking about price. At the market, sellers tell the price. For example, it is 2 euros. It is 3 euros per kilo. This costs 5 euros. If something is expensive, you can decide not to buy it. Shopping cart. Buying things. When you want to buy something, you can say, I want this, please. I will take 1 kilo. Can I have 2 oranges? Then the seller gives you the product. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Polite words. It is good to be polite. You can use please, thank you, hello, goodbye. Now we will talk about how to choose good products at the market. This is very important because we want fresh and good food. Red apple. How to choose fresh fruit. When you buy fruit, look at color, smell, shape. For example, apples should be red or green and not soft. Bananas should be yellow, not black. Oranges should feel heavy and fresh. If fruit looks bad or too soft, it is not fresh. Carrot. How to choose vegetables. Vegetables should be firm, not soft, clean, bright in color. For example, carrots should be hard and orange. Tomatoes should not be too soft. Cucumbers should be green and fresh. Cheese wedge, how to choose other food. For cheese, meat, or fish. Check the smell. It should be normal, not bad. Check the color. It should look fresh. Ask the seller if it is fresh. Example: is this cheese fresh? Yes, it is from today. Eyes, simple tip. Use your senses. At the market, you can use eyes to see, nose to smell, hands raise hand to touch carefully. This helps you choose better products. Light bulb easy advice. If you are not sure, you can always ask the seller. Is this good? Is this fresh today? Sellers usually help you. Choosing food at the market is simple when you know what to look for. Now we will talk about money and prices of the market. This is very useful when you go shopping. Money bag, understanding prices. At the market, everything has a price. For example, apples, €2 per kilo. Bread, 1.50 euros. Cheese, 4 euros. Sometimes the price is for one item, and sometimes for 1 kilo. Shopping cart, paying for things. When you buy something, you pay the seller. You can say, how much is it in total? Here is the money. Can I pay in cash? Most markets accept cash and sometimes card. Light bulb, saving money at the market. Here are some easy tips to save money. Compare prices from different sellers. Buy seasonal food, it is cheaper. Buy in bigger amounts, sometimes cheaper per kilo. Ask for deals or discounts. Example: if I buy 2 kilos, is it cheaper? Receipt, simple money conversation. Customer: how much are the apples? Seller: 3 euros per kilo. Customer: I will take 1 kilo. Seller: that is 3 euros. Customer: here you are. Seller: thank you. Brain, important idea. You don't need a lot of money to shop well at the market. You just need to choose carefully. The market can be cheaper than supermarkets if you know how to buy smart. Now we will talk about why people love the market, and we will make a short summary. Red heart, why people like the market. People like the market because it is friendly and lively. Food is fresh and tasty. Prices are often good. You can talk to real people. It feels more personal than a supermarket. At the market, shopping is not only about buying things. It is also a social experience. Smiling face with smiling eyes, the atmosphere. The market is often busy, noisy, colorful, full of life. You can hear people talking, sellers calling, and bags moving. It feels active and warm. Brain, what we learned. In this podcast, we learned what a market is, what we can buy there, how to talk with sellers, how to choose fresh products, how money and prices work. Now you can use simple English at the market. Speaking head, final simple conversation. Customer: hello. Seller: hello. What do you need? Customer: I want apples and bread, please. Seller: here you are. Customer: thank you very much. Seller: you're welcome. Glowing star, final message. The market is a simple but very important place in everyday life. It helps us eat better, save money, and meet people. Thank you for listening to my podcast. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Goodbye and have a nice day.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.